Welcome back to Kids Cookie Adventure, and today we're going to be making these delicious iced buns. Let's get started. You will need 500 grams of strong white bread flour with 1 teaspoon of salt mixed in, 50 grams of caster sugar, a 7-gram sachet of dried yeast, 1 large egg, 300 millilitres of semi-skim milk, 40 grams of unsalted butter, and sunflower oil for greasing. Let's get started. So first we need to mix the dried yeast and the sugar and the flour in a large bowl. When it's all thoroughly mixed through, make a well in the centre and set aside for later. So now we have to warm the milk and the butter over a low heat until the milk is steaming and the butter has melted. So while the milk is warming up, you need to beat the egg, whisk the egg. And you'll know when it's ready, when it's all a pale yellow colour and it's got some bubbles on the top. That is when you stop, as you can see just here. So once the egg is ready, just gently stir the milk and butter. So all the butter is melted, and I don't think you can see, but steam is coming out gently, so that's when it's ready. So turn it off. While it's still hot, pour it into the well in the centre and add the egg and mix until a dough forms. So when the dough is ready, it should look a little something like this. And what you want to do is get the flour, this one, sprinkle it over the roll top. And then get the dough out. So now knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it is elastic and no longer sticky. Also, if it gets sticky, add some flour, but not too much, maybe up to about 50 grams. You can see it's a smooth dough about halfway through the process. It needs to feel very elastic and bounce back very quickly, so when you poke a finger in, and if it comes back very quickly. Also try not to keep your hands too long on the dough, otherwise it'll get sticky like this. And you don't want that. You just quickly push, fold, push, fold, push, fold. So I think it's ready. It bounces back very quickly and it's very elastic. What I want to do now is oil a large bowl, put your dough into it, cover it with cling film, and leave it for 45 minutes to an hour or until it's doubled in size. Look how big it's grown! It's definitely twice the size, maybe even more. It's even got a little dome on the top where the air. Look, if you take it off, all the air is going to go woo! It's nearly filled up the whole bowl and it's so full of air. So what you want to do, get it out and knock all the air out with the dough. With your fists, until it's all very small again. What you want to do is knead it a bit more until all the oil is absorbed. So it's kneaded and now it's in one long sausage. What you want to do now is cut it into 15 equal sized pieces. So we've got 16 bits. What you want to do is roll them, all of them into a ball and then a sausage shape. And then get an oiled tray and put it on. Make sure to leave 2 centimeters between every bun. So we've got 16 rolls. Make sure to cover them with cling film and leave them to proof for another half an hour, 40 minutes. So now that they're touching, we need to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. So they're out of the oven now. We transfer them to a wire rack to cool. Also rip them apart gently so they can cool easier. Now they're all ripped, put them to the side and let's do the decorating. To do the decorating, I have a little helper. Woof! Hi! So we need 240 grams icing sugar, split them between 3 bowls, so that's 80 grams in each. Some water. 3 different colour gels. And some sprinkles! So what you want to do is get a tablespoon of water in each one. And a different drop of food colour in each one. Orange. My favourite colour. Lighter colours, what do is add a bit more so they look better. Yeah. So 1 or 2 drops should do it. Yeah, so do that 1 drop, 2 drops.
Why not red?
Because you need orange. Now let's do the red. Go 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops. Now let's mix them up.
So the orange is coming up really well. Now how are you doing?
The green's looking very well, good as well. What you want to do is make it runny. So if it's a bit thick, add a little bit of water.
I think mine's a bit thick because it's hard to spin.
Yeah. Let's get a little bit of water.
Okay, that's better.
So they look really good. Now let's ice the buns. So get a bun. So you get a bun. Dip it in to the icing upside down and smother it around a little bit. And lift it up. Get some sprinkles. Sprinkle some on top. And voila, we have a nice bun. So do that with the rest.
Do you think that's enough sprinkles?
Yeah. Or maybe a little bit more.
Yeah. Go, next one.
Make sure to use all the colours evenly, otherwise you'll have 14 green buns and then 1 red bun.
And 2 orange buns.
And you don't want that.
Shimmy around. Oh, yeah, I need to put some more. Ugh. Yeah, that's enough. Sprinkles! I just sprinkle until there. Is that enough?
No. You need to cover the whole set.
I'm just going to put the whole top on.
The red looks a bit pinkish.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh. Yeah, mine's dripping.
That's okay.
Put it on the plate.
Dan, put it on the plate.
I need to put some sprinkles. Wait, I think we need another plate.
Yeah, we need to go get another plate. So you need to wait for a bit for the ice to set so it's not all runny. And now we can see how they taste. Ready?
Orange.
Ready?
There.
3, 2, 1. Mmm. So tasty. Yeah, so they're very, 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 very nice.
Delicious.
Just hope you got the same result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe by clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye!